still coming. You're gonna end up with a quarter
Single
mile
file.
of birds. Unbelievable.
Wow.
Let's see, it's going into winter and they're going maybe south.
Yeah, they're migrating.
Wow, that's a...
I've never seen this before. You read about it, but I've never seen
Yeah,
it.
I've never seen, that's a mass
they're
migration.
They're all gonna stop for a break.
It's still going.
Unbelievable.
It's still going.
Unbelievable. This is neat. Yeah,
This is, holy smokes, that's thousands,
Thousands of
hundreds
them.
of thousands of birds.
I don't know, but it's like, now it's probably half a mile. It's something when you don't see the end.
I mean, that's still going. Still going.
YouTube tonight. Beach guys.
When we talk about a mass migration,
Yeah, I was, my parents got out that video, so we
I just can't believe it's still going. I think this is the end coming up finally. Maybe not, it's still coming. Jillian! Oh my God, it's still going. Look at this migration of birds. Oh my God, it just keeps going all the way down past Point Dume. I gotta shut off, it's just too much.